Hi, in this video, I'm going to continue solving practice question for region in a plane. Let us take a look at number 2, state an inequalities that define the unshaded region of each graph. So look at the y-intercept is 1. So the formula is y equal to mx plus y, not y, c, the y-intercept. So we got the y-intercept is plus 1. So let us find the gradient of the m. So this is 0.1. Then let us take another point. I will take this point 1.3. So let us find the gradient. So first y is 3 minus 1. We minus it by 1 minus by 0. So the gradient is 2 over 1. So the gradient equal 2. So we got it. The function is y equal to 2x. However, as this is full, so it can be less than or equal or bigger than or equal. Let us take a look. So let's substitute the origin point 0, so it's gonna be 0 equal to 0 plus 1. So 0 and 1, what's gonna be the best correlation? Okay, here this point is unwanted, so 0 will be less than 0, so this is unwanted, so we can make it opposite like this. 0 bigger than or equal to 1, which is this is unwanted. So we can write y bigger than or equal to 2x plus 1. Next b. Okay, let us see. Here y-intercept is minus 1. So y equal to mx plus c. We got c is minus 1. So let us find the gradient. So this is 0 and minus 1. Take this point, 2 and 3. So the gradient is gonna be 3 minus by minus 1. And we divided by 2 minus by 0. So we got it 4 over 2. So the gradient equal 2. So 2x, y. Since this is not full line, so it's gonna be only less than or bigger than. Let us take the origin point. This is the one region. So 0 equal to 0 minus 1. What is the 0 and minus 1? The correlation. 0 is bigger than minus 1. Since this is the wanted, so we don't need to make it reverse. So we just write it as y bigger than 2x minus 1. Go to C. We can see the y-intercept is 2. So let's just take it into the formula y mx plus c. The y-intercept is 2. So let us find the gradient. So this point is 0.2, and we can take here this point 3.1. So the gradient is gonna be 1 minus 2 divided by 3. We minus by 0, so minus 1 over 3, the gradient. So y equal to minus 1 over 3x plus 2. So let us take a look. This original point, the one region, so 0 equal to minus 1 over 3 times 0 plus 2. What's the correlation between 0 and 2? Of course, so 0 is less than 2. Since this is the want, not unwanted region, so we can write as y less than minus 1 over 3x plus 2. Look at the y-intercept is 3, so let's make it into the formula y equal to mx plus c. C is 3. So this point is 0.3. Let us take another point. This point when minus 2.0. So the gradient is gonna be 0 minus 3. We divided by minus 2. We minus by 0. So this is minus 3 over minus 2. So the gradient is 3 over 2. So this is y over 3 over 2x. Let us take the origin point, 0.0. So 0, 3 over 2 times 0. This is plus 3. So what is the correlation between 0 and 3? 0 is less than or equal to 3. Since this is unwanted, so we will make it reverse this sign. So y bigger than or equal to 3 over 2x plus by 3. Okay. Next, write the two inequalities. So this is the line is x equal to 3. Since this is the unwanted area, so the satisfy is gonna be x. So the first is x bigger than or equal to 3 because this is the unwanted area. Next, the line, okay, the y-intercept is -1. So we can put it into the formula y equal to gradient x plus y-intercept. Y-intercept is -1. So the gradient, let us check. So this is minus a0 and -1. Take it another point. What point can we take? Look from here, 0, 1. Here we go, 3 and 1. So this is 3 and 1. So the gradient is gonna be 1 minus by -1, and then we divided by 3 minus 0. So the gradient is gonna be 2 over 3. Okay, let's put it. So y equal to 2 over 3x minus by 1. Take it this origin point, so substitute 0, 0 equal to 2 over 3 times 0 minus 1. So 0 and then -1. What the correlation is 0 bigger than -1. Since this is unwanted area, so we will make it reverse. So this will be y less than 2 over 3x minus 1. So we got two inequalities, x bigger than or equal to 3 and y less than 2 over 3x minus by 1. Okay, take a look number 4. By shading the unwanted, so we'll take it the unwanted area. So let us make it the graph. The unwanted. Okay, y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 is here. Okay, let's make it 1. As this is, so we just make it not full line. This is y equal to 1. Since this is need to be bigger than 1, so less than 1 is the unwanted area. So we can just shade here the unwanted area. This is the unwanted area for y bigger than 1. Next, what we got? We got x bigger than 1. So this is 1. So 1. Since this is there is x equal bigger than or equal to, we'll make it full line. Okay, so x less than 1 is the unwanted area. So here the unwanted area for the second. So this is y line, this is x. Next, we need to find the question 4 here. So y equal to minus x plus 5. Okay, first we got the intersection equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here equal to 5. Then let us try when y equal to 0, y minus x plus 5. So x equal to 5 here. Okay, we got it. This is not full line, so I will use a ruler. As this is not full, yes, we can make it like this. Okay, and let's take it 0.0. So y less than minus x plus 5. So 0 less than minus 0 plus 5. Is it 0 less than 5? Yeah, this is correct. So the unwanted area is not the origin point, which is here. This is the unwanted area. Okay, then we got it, number 4. Next, number 5. By shading the unwanted area. Okay, so we need to draw the graph. Wait, so this is the solution inside. Solution. Next, number 5. We have to draw the graph. So let us take the point first. We get x minus y equal to 7. So this is x minus 7 equal to y. Okay, the first point, when x equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to minus 7. Then when y equal to 0, x gonna be 7. Okay, next point, we got 2x plus y equal to 4. So this is 2x minus 4 equal to y. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 4 minus 4. And then when y equal to 0, x equal to. Okay, we got these 2 points. Let us draw into the graph. First, look at it. We got x bigger than or equal to minus 4. Here, minus 4. So we can make it the full line. Oh, sorry. Okay, minus 4 here. Okay, minus 4. So as this is bigger than minus 4, so the unwanted area is going to be less than minus 4, which is to the left side. This is the unwanted area. Okay, next line, we got here minus 7. So let's make it minus 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, minus 7. And then 7 here. So you can just make it with a ruler, as this is only less than. Yeah, there we go. So this is not full line, only, yeah, here. Let us check it, the origin point. When x minus y is gonna be less than 7. So 0 minus 0 gonna be less than 7. 0 less than 7. Yes, this is correct. So the origin point is not the unwanted area. So the unwanted area is opposite of it. It is from here, the right side. Next line. I made some mistake first. Wait a moment, it's gonna be minus y. So when x equal to 0, y equal to 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, here 4. And this is 2. As this is less than or equal to, so we can just make it full line. There it is. Let us check it, the inequality. So this is 2x plus y less than or equal to 4. Let's take it the origin point. So 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 4. So 0 less than or equal to 4, which is correct. So this is not the unwanted area. So the unwanted area is the opposite of it, which is here. Okay, there we go. So these are the solution. Now here. Okay, there it is. Thank you.